Hi everyone, welcome to AQMB Agile Institute, where we explore the principles of Agile and Lean project management to help you succeed in today's fast-paced work environment. Today's video on Program Increment Planning, a cornerstone of scaled Agile frameworks. In this segment, we explore what PI planning truly entails and its pivotal role within the Agile release train. Often considered the heartbeat of scaled Agile development, PI planning is a face-to-face event where teams align on goals and deliverables, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This strategic gathering typically spans 2 days every 8 to 12 weeks, providing a dedicated time for collaboration and transparency. By the end of this video, you'll understand why PI planning is not just an event, but an essential practice that empowers teams to achieve remarkable outcomes. Whether you're new to Agile or a seasoned practitioner, stay tuned as we unravel the significance of PI planning and how it can transform your team's approach to success. Let's embark on this journey to explore the foundations of effective Agile practice. PI planning is not just another routine meeting, it's the strategic heartbeat of scaled Agile development. At its core, PI planning ensures that every team member is aligned and moving in the same direction, creating a unified vision across the Agile release train. Through this alignment, transparency flourishes, paving the way for an open and honest exchange of ideas and objectives. Communication is the lifeblood of any successful team, and PI planning elevates it to a new level. By bringing everyone together, it fosters an environment where ideas are shared freely and potential roadblocks are identified early. This proactive approach is crucial for navigating the complex landscapes of Agile projects. Moreover, PI planning plays a pivotal role in risk management. By identifying risks up front, teams can collaboratively devise strategies to mitigate them, ensuring that projects stay on track and within scope. This foresight safeguards the project's success and instills confidence among team members. In essence, PI planning transforms potential chaos into a well-orchestrated symphony of collaboration and innovation. Let's delve deeper into why this process is indispensable for any Agile team striving for excellence. Welcome to the heart of our discussion on Program Increment Planning. In this segment, we'll delve into essential tips that can transform your PI planning sessions from routine to remarkable. Let's start with thorough preparation. Understanding your objectives, gathering relevant data, and ensuring all team members are aligned before planning begins. Preparation sets the stage for success and minimizes surprises. Next, setting clear SMART objectives is crucial. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These objectives provide a clear roadmap, ensuring everyone knows what success looks like and how to get there. Fostering team collaboration is another pillar of successful PI planning. Encourage open communication and create an environment where every voice is heard. Collaboration isn't just about working together, it's about building trust and leveraging diverse perspectives to solve complex problems. Risk management is also a key focus. Identify potential risks early and develop strategies to mitigate them. This proactive approach protects your project and instills confidence in your team. Lastly, prioritize backlog items effectively. Not all tasks are created equal, and prioritization ensures that the most critical elements are tackled first. Incorporating these tips into your PI planning process can lead to more organized, efficient, and successful sessions. By preparing thoroughly, setting SMART objectives, fostering collaboration, focusing on risk management, and prioritizing backlog items, you lay the groundwork for achieving your goals and driving your Agile projects forward. Let's continue exploring how these strategies can be measured and refined in our next segment. As we approach the conclusion of our discussion on PI planning, it's crucial to understand how success can be effectively measured. One primary indicator is the business value achieved. By assessing the tangible benefits delivered, teams can gauge the impact of their efforts. Another key metric is the predictability of meeting objectives, evaluating whether the goals set during the planning phase were met consistently and efficiently. Lastly, team satisfaction plays a vital role in determining success. Engaged and satisfied teams are often more productive and innovative, driving better outcomes. By focusing on these metrics, organizations can not only measure success, but also identify areas for continuous improvement. This holistic evaluation ensures that PI planning remains a powerful tool in the Agile toolkit, fostering alignment, transparency, and collaboration. Remember, the journey to mastering PI planning is ongoing, and these insights are just the beginning. Keep tracking, refining, and celebrating your successes as you advance in your Agile journey. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of PI planning. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to enhance your Agile practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Program Increment Planning. We hope you found these insights valuable and are ready to implement them in your Agile practices. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more tips and strategies, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll not only support our efforts, but also become part of a community dedicated to mastering Agile methodologies. Let's continue to learn and grow together. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in your Agile journey. See you in our next video.